Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Tales. In this video, I will discuss what is going on currently in Dogecoin. Let's start with the market statistics. First of all, the price of Dogecoin is nearly 29 cents, as you can see on the chart. Today onward, the Dogecoin hit around the high of today is 0.30. It means 30 cent. As you can see in the chart, the price of Dogecoin is oscillating between these important channel. It is perfectly obeying to stay in that particular channel if the Dogecoin price break out from this level and its volume support. But as you can see, it is one of the biggest resistance for the Dogecoin to break out. Okay, but as you can see in the chart, there is not any kind of buyers dominance at this level of 30 cents. As you can see in the chart, in last 24 hours the volume of Dogecoin has increased so much, 100% volume increase. And yesterday the volume was around $5 billion. Now it is around something $9.16 billion. It's huge, but not able to cross the breakout line. As you can see in the chart, there is some kind of selling pressure is also there on this particular line, so it's indicating that this level of 30 is of a huge resistance, because at this level the buyers who buy at this level, trying to sell their token, not this person, not this type of investor who buying at this level, but the previous holders who bought Dogecoin around 1 year ago and try to sell their token at this level because they are already in huge loss. Okay, but in last 7 days you can see the price of Dogecoin increased 34%. There is a hype, there is a buzz, or there is a kind of a very confirmed news that the Dogecoin can be used as an ETF for the institutional buyers, because there is a launch of Dogecoin ETF which is officially filed by Rax Osprey, but it is not tradable on any kind of platform. But this news is so important for whole Dogecoin community. That's why the price is increasing. Once the Dogecoin ETF launch is confirmed, there it will be a correction in the price of Dogecoin. As you can see, there will be a event in crypto, very famous, sell the event. Okay, it will definitely happen in future after just the confirmation of the Dogecoin ETF is launched and tradable. So the news will confirm, and after that the buyers who bought at this level of 20 cent on 21 cent will definitely book their profit. As you can see, they are also booking their profit, because you can see the price touched the 30 cents level. Now it is selling from the previous holders. The Dogecoin ETF news is so important that the whole Dogecoin community is so excited about this type of news. They are making lots of memes, particularly for the Dogecoin community and for the Dogecoin investors. They are motivating to each other to invest in their particular token of Dogecoin. That's why the whole crypto market is especially focused on Dogecoin. Dogecoin is not a meme coin. Okay, it is a king of meme coins, just not a meme coin, it is the king of meme coin, because the market cap is $43 billion. The number one meme coin in crypto history is Dogecoin. Why? Because it is the one of the first meme coin of crypto industry. If the Dogecoin ETF approves successfully, then there will be a storm or flood of lots of meme coin will definitely go for the ETF approval from the SEC. There are Pepe, there are Shiba, lots of meme tokens is also there, which has already gained so much popularity in past, or they have so much of a community in connecting to their particular hype or particular community. So if the Dogecoin ETF approved, it will be the first US meme coin ETF approval in history. Now let's talk about the resistance. The huge resistance is nearly around 30 cents. As you can see, the price not able to cross this level. Okay, the support is around 22 or 23 cents. As you know, the clean core solution is one of the company listed company on Nasdaq is making its own treasury. Okay, or they are holding lots of Doge token, buying lots of Doge token. They are planning to acquire something around 1 billion Dogecoin. Okay, so they are planning to partnership with Dogecoin. Okay, or that's why the price of this particular company is increase around 12% in just 5 days, because the partnership Dogecoin and the clean core is in very high. Dogecoin Foundation, House of Doge, in which the Elon Musk lawyer Alex Spiro is supporting this kind of tragedy. So there are all positive news around the Dogecoin. Okay, that's why the all the data is very promising. In just last 4 hours, the Dogecoin just decreased 3%, but in last 24 hours there is an increment of 6%. Last 7 days 32%, last 30 days 17%, last 90 days around 60%, and last 6 months 180 days around 71%. And from year to year there is a loss for the investor who just bought the Dogecoin 1 year ago. Now they are in loss, but they are recovering from their loss and gaining some kind of a gain on their investment. Okay, there is also a news of some kind of interest cuts in September also. This will also make a catalyst in the increment of price of whole crypto market, and especially for the Dogecoin it will also impact the price of Dogecoin. If the interest rate cuts in September, the Dogecoin can easily touch $40 mark. I think 40 cent will be the crucial level for all Dogecoin holders, so please make an eye on that particular levels of 40 cents. Okay, but as you can see, on there are lots of platform, okay, on which the Dogecoin is the number one choice for their initial investors for just open interest. As you can see, the open interest of Dogecoin is around 4.98, almost 60, almost $6 billion open interest. As you can see, the shorts position is liquidating on regular basis around in last 4 hours around $5.26 million is shorts position liquidated, but the long position is gaining so much of profit. That's why the open interest, especially for the whole Dogecoin market in the form of future. As you can see, the future volume in last 24 hours is around $20 billion. You can see in spot there is only just $3 billion, but in future $20 billion. The market cap is around $43 billion, open interest $6 billion, circulating supply of the whole crypto for the Dogecoin is around $150 billion. The total supply, circulating supply, or is equal to the total supply, both are same. It means total supply of the Dogecoin is in circulating state. They are circulating from one place to other place, not any kind of locking, especially for Dogecoin. So the Dogecoin is purely a meme token. Okay, one of the most famous, most community driven, most famous crypto for all crypto lovers. That's why the Dogecoin is has so much of hype. There are also kind of risk is also there. That's why the price of Dogecoin is pulling back. So it is very, now it's become very important for Dogecoin to break this level of 30 cents. If it is not possible to break this level, the price may pull back so sharply then, so that it can touch this level of 22 cents or even 20 cents. So let's hope for the best. Something will happen especially for the Dogecoin in future after the Dogecoin ETF approval. So lots of institutional buyers will inject their speculative capitals, particularly in the Dogecoin ETF. So the moves of large holders, whales accumulation or selling could move the price. Development around utility, okay, payment, merchant, adoption, partnership, less hype, more real use would improve long-term sustainability. Okay, sustainability also will be a very important factor for Dogecoin. It can be able to sustain at this level of 30. It can be important for the Dogecoin to handle this kind of volume around as you can see $10 billion in last 24 hours. So lots of trading is going on, different kinds of centralized exchange and decentralized exchange in different countries. So that's it for the Dogecoin. So thank you very much for this video.